Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Q4 E-Tron concept will be the first affordable battery electric SUV in the A segment. And these proportions are simply stunning. Thanks to these engineers who developed this package, there is a huge battery pack located in the floor. That's why the wheelbase is really extended. This creates really short overhangs. And design-wise, this is as well the next evolution in our design language. We combine really emotional, almost sexy surfaces with a few precise lines. But I'd like to show you my favorite detail. As well, the inverted single frame like at the E-Tron GT, but my favorite detail are these headlights. We will call them digital signature lights, and the future customer of this car can choose in between many different proposals his own or his favorite design graphic for the first time in production at Audi in 2 years' time. The interior, thanks to this long wheelbase, offers almost upper-class dimensions. The interior is really designed very light. We choose bright colors and as well, of course, is 100% region. And for the first time in production, the focus for the driver is our huge augmented head-up display. Ladies and gentlemen, Q4 E-Tron will go into production like it is. Only a few details will be added. Will go into production at the end of 2020.